Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on DLF. Our analyst retains positive view on DLF, increasing NAV premium, accounting for strong residential growth outlook in its key NCR market. The NCR residential market has been witnessing significant traction in new unit launches and sales, which have grown by 153% year-on-year and 101% year-on-year respectively during 9-month calendar year 23. NCR region saw the sharpest 21% year-on-year decline in inventory in quarter 3 of calendar year 23 among top 7 cities. Strong demand has driven up average residential price by 12% year-on-year. Ultra luxury segments now comprises a 38% share in new launches, while it forms just 9% of available inventory in quarter 3 of calendar year 23, providing pricing-led growth tailwinds. Next on radar is NTPC Limited. Our analyst maintains buy on NTPC with a revised price target of Rs 300. NTPC is our top pick in the power sector. Given its strong earnings growth visibility, we expect 11% PAT CAGR over FY23 to 26 earnings and ROE of 14%. Attractive valuation of 1.5 times FY26 earnings, price to book value, and a healthy dividend yield of 3 to 4%. NTPC is a play on improving capex outlook for thermal power capacities. Ministry of Power aims to add 80 gigawatts of thermal capacities by 2031-32 and focus on RE transition. It aims RE capacity of 20 gigawatts to 60 gigawatts by FY26 to FY32. Moreover, we believe that power tariff regulation will remain unchanged, regulated ROE of 15.5%, given the government's focus to encourage addition of thermal capacities amid rising peak power demand supply deficit. For more detailed disclosures and disclaimers, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and terms and conditions on sharekhan.com before investing. Investment in security markets are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.
Thank you for watching. To keep up with the latest from Sharekhan, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You can also download the Sharekhan app for all your trading and investing needs. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.